Bryce takes it out. 1 minute, 18 seconds left to play. Bryce takes it in. Bryce is Cody. Cody feet. Deep to Cody. Cody goes on. Goes across the net. Coach Leonard building. Coach Leonard takes it out. Coach Todd. Coach Laird. Coach Laird shoots. Oh, steals it. Rebound. Bryce takes it out. Bryce passes to Merrick. Merrick shoots. Nice shot. They're having to take it out to Coach Todd. No one on those steals it. Coach Todd, the coach, Mr. Ramian. To Coach Adams shoots. Coach Adams misses. Back out to Merrick. Now to Bowen. Bowen to Cody. Bryce shoots. Coach Adams, Coach Leonard. Takes out feet. Coach Leonard shoots. Coach Leonard misses. Coach